Hi guys, welcome to a new and fresh video of our channel Cool Gadgets. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I am going to show you futuristic gadgets which are going to change the world. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, vertical aerospace flying taxi Seraph. This Seraph was built to test new technologies and systems for integration into vertical aerospace's upcoming messenger models due to unveiled next year. The aircraft is capable of carrying loads up to 250 kg and can reach speeds of up to 18 km per hour. It features an innovative passive cooling system and a customizable design, meaning the aircraft can be made larger or smaller. Fitted with the wheels or floats to facilitate water landings, the prototype named Seraph completed its maiden flight at Leonard Bird Airfield in Wales on August 22. It follows the successful flight of Vertical Aerospace's first full-scale prototype, the UK's first eVTOL aircraft to be granted flight permission by the Civil Aviation Authority. The day are not far when you look a flying taxi to go to your office. Second, BMW self-driving motorcycle. Nowadays, 28% of motorcycle drivers dies while driving. Taking a step towards driver safety, BMW has made a prototype which can ensure driver safety. BMW has designed a futuristic bike which can drive without driver. BMW is making motorcycles lighter, safer and more efficient and driver friendly. When you see it first time, you will bite your finger. Third, augmented reality, especially augmented reality (SAR), renders virtual objects directly within or on the user's physical space. A key benefit of SAR is that of user does not need to wear a head-mounted display. Instead, with the use of spatial displays, wide field of view and possibly high-resolution images of virtual objects can be integrated directly into the environment. For example, the virtual object can be realized by using digital light projectors to paint 2D/3D imagery onto real surfaces or by using built-in flat panel displays. Fourth, HRP-5P humanoid robot. HRP-5P is an advanced humanoid capable of using power, tools and handling large objects like drywall sheets. It's the latest model in the HRP series of Japanese humanoids and is designed as an R&D platform, able to carry about 13 kilograms of payload, designed to operate autonomously and perform heavy labor in the hazardous environment, equipped with environmental sensors and object recognition, full body motion planning and control, and task description and execution management. Fifth, Microlino microcar. This microcar can drive between 125 to 200 km with the bigger battery, with a single charge and reach a top speed of 90 km per hour. Probably somewhat high for the urban environment it is designed to operate in. The car can be charged at home, which takes 4 hours, while charging at a Type 2 connector only takes 1 hour. It totally bucks over electricity and its small size makes it easy to drive in traffic. First, Volson, world's smallest fingerprint disc lock. Hey guys, nowadays changing climate is a major concern, so all the environmentalists are suggesting to use cycles. It will save our planet, but who will save our cycles from stalling? Sure, this worry can be solved by Volson, world's smallest fingerprint lock. Its weight is only 220 grams, which make it portable and easy to handle. It has a press type lock. It is inbuilt with 220S automatic protect with anti-theft system. It can also be used for motorcycles. Its battery lasts long for 3 months when charged fully. It totally works on your fingerprint to unlock it. It is waterproof and weatherproof. After recognizing your fingerprint, it will unlock the lock in just 0.5 seconds. It can recognize up to 40 fingerprints. It also gives you a steel cable lock. Second, S20T, the affordable electric skateboard for every road. Guys, most of us drive skateboard or drive, but now you are going to see a revolution in world of skateboarding. Yes, it is S20T, the affordable electric skateboard for every road. It consists of wide rubber tires. It is first electric skateboard which gives top speed of 28 miles per hour. It can go up to 28 miles after being fully charged. It also accelerates like race cars. Its tires can be replaced. It have a durable design which makes it easy to carry. It consists of dual 600 watt motors. It has 4 speed gears. It has a W-shaped foot socket and it has a great quality of shock absorption. Third, Mentor X, the lightweight foldable self-balance e-scooter. Meet Mentor X, the lightweight foldable self-balance e-scooter, which will definitely replace the old-fashioned e-scooter. It is made of carbon fiber and aluminum alloy, which makes its elasticity with strongness. It is also very lightweight, which makes it very easy to carry. It is lashed with self-balancing technology, which will save you from unwanted falling. Its weight is just only 16 lbs. It is foldable, so it is easy to carry. A generous battery life, quick recharging and a very respectable top speed are also part of the winning combination. Plus, a double braking system makes Mentor X highly safe and responsive in all conditions. A bright LED light, clear LED display showing battery life and speed, and a dust and splash resistant exterior make for comfortable, confident travel. It can reach up to 12.4 miles per hour of maximum speed. It is consists of dual braking system. It can bear up to 220 lbs weight. It has a motor of 240 watts which will give you a smooth ride. It is dust and splash resistant. After charging it for 4 hours fully, it can run up to 12.4 miles. When folded up vertically so that it is resting on the front wheel, you simply engage the follow mode, which powers the front wheel and allows it to roll obediently along beside you. No effort required. Wherever you go, Mentor X remains steady as you roll it along. Fourth, OnPark Find 3, the longest riding range electric skateboard. Introducing a new way of riding OnPark Find 3, the longest riding range electric skateboard, which will provide you a long and smooth ride. It consists of Samsung battery which could be quickly replaced. OnPark Find 3 is designed to ride smoothly through your city and conquer every obstacle. OnPark Find 3 is an electric longboard with dual brushless hub motors, whose speed is up to 31 miles per hour within 23 kilometers on a single battery. So boring routines will becoming exhilarating adventures. It can reach up to top speed of 50 km per hour. It consists of 680 watt each motor. Its weight is just of 16 lbs, which make it easy to carry. After charging it fully for 2 hours, it can go up to the range of 23 km. Its waterproof body of IP55 protects it from water. You can also control it with remote control and also see analytics on remote control. It also have a LED light which give you a clear appearance up to 2.5 feet. It is a 100 mm of hub motor. It gives a elevation climbing of 30 degrees. It is consists of bamboo and 2 layers of glass fiber. Fifth, Swimn S1, powered kickboard for swimming faster. Swimn S1 is an amazing powered swimming kickboard with a powerful built-in motor that helps you swim. With Swimn S1 you can swim faster, further and enjoy swimming. With a 250 watt motor and a 2.5 mph max speed, Swimn S1 is designed for both children and adults at all swimming skill levels, providing a whole new way to swim with all the fun you deserve. Doesn't matter if you are swimming for exercise or simply relaxing. With Swimn S1, you can also gain a better swimming experience. It is easy to use and airline friendly. It is sand resistant. You can drive it anywhere from fresh water to sea water. Everyone can use it from adults to children. It can recharge in just 90 minutes. It can produce 5.5 kgf of buoyancy Swimmers on average swim at a speed of 1.8 miles per hour. With a power boost from Swimness 1, you can easily swim at 4.3 miles per hour, almost catching up the Phelps.